Hey, my name is Samer, and today I'm going to show you how to use different space types and feeds in SpacesEDU. Looking for a way to engage all students in class-wide discussions, share important announcements, or even promote collaboration? The class space is the teacher's collaborative learning environment and is created by default with all students preloaded into it upon class creation. Using the class settings, teachers can set up the visibility and interactivity levels to suit their classroom needs. Are you looking to engage students one-on-one? The one-to-one space is unique to each learner and only visible to the student, teachers, and any invited family members. It's ideal for providing personalized feedback, supporting IEPs, or tracking individual goals. To create a one-to-one space, click the plus create button in the Spaces tab, select one-to-one as your space type and click Next. Choose whether to create one-to-one spaces for all students or just select individual students. Here's a tip: selecting all students will automatically create a private space for each student, saving you loads of time. Click Next, then customize your space with a name and description. Finally, click Save, and you're done. You now have a private one-to-one space for individualized learning and communication. It's amazing to see so many teachers scaffolding learning by providing audio and visual exemplars, as well as friendly video introductions for their students and families. Do you want to set your students up with smaller groups for collaboration, accountability, or even peer feedback? The group space is designed to engage students in meaningful group work. To create a group space, go to the Spaces tab and click plus create. Select Group as your space type and click Next. Choose how you like to assign students, automatically by selecting the number of students per group, or manually by placing students in specific groups yourself. Click Next to review and edit the groups as needed. Click Next again, then customize the space name and description. Hit Save, and your group space are ready to go. Each group will have their own collaborative space tailored to your learning goals. If you're looking for more information about one-to-one and group spaces, just click the Learn More button to access tutorials, guides, and creative use case ideas for each space type. Looking for an easy way to view all evidence of learning in SpacesEDU? Just click on the Feed tab to see all student artifacts posted within your class. You can provide descriptive multimedia feedback, tag and assess learning directly from the feed, and filter by student names or learning outcomes for quick access. Student reflection and growth is so important. That's why it's easy for students to view their learning year after year within their own account. From the dashboard, students can access an all-work feed that lets them navigate through their posted artifacts from all their classes in one central space. And because building on learning is so valuable, students can copy, edit, and repost previous work to a current class, making it easier than ever to reflect and tell their learning story over time. This has been your introduction to different space types and feeds in SpacesEDU. Now, it's time for you to explore, create, and bring your students' learning journeys to life.